is your guy, Spiral? Hey guys, we are unboxing this baby today, and I am so grateful to God because I know that it is not easy. God has been faithful. God has been everything, okay? And I just want to thank you all for supporting my YouTube channel, because without you guys, this unboxing will not be possible. I just have to go back so that you guys can see it. So this is a podcast mic, and I have been looking for how I can be able to get this for quite some time now, but with you guys on YouTube, my family, my friends, you guys, thank you for always super chatting. Thank you for always putting the thanks button there, because this cannot be without you guys. So I ordered this from Jumia, and yeah, I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. So let's do the unboxing together. I need to stand, okay? I don't even know how to place my camera right now. Let's see. Oh, let's go. You have to be over careful, you guys. So this is how it came. This is the Tonor Type-C 2030 USB microphone kit. So this come like with a full kit, the stand and everything, according to what I saw. This is it. Okay, like this. Okay. Whoa, this is huge. Hey, wait. Who is your plug? Who is your plug, guys? Oh my God, guys, this is how it came in. This is so beautiful. And we have this other ones here. I don't even know what all of this is for, but we are going to figure out one after the other. So I'll just show you guys now, and then I'll set them back in place till we are able to fix them. Then I'll show you guys. I think this is the screw that you're going to use in scrolling the stand. You can see the name here, Tonor. Anyway. Okay. Now, this one, if you want to put it like on your decks like this, without having the long stand, this is beautiful. And I'm going to put this back until myself and my husband were able to figure this out. Okay, this other one is the foam that I'm going to be putting. I don't know the name. My husband is already saying cover, and this is the mic cover. Okay, so this is it. Hallelujah. So guys, this will go in like this. Okay. Hey, way. Sonia is complete. Can you guys see? I so much love this. Like I said, I'm going to put in all of this in place. And this is the stand that you can extend. This is extendable, okay? So I'm going to put this as well. Once I'm done setting all of them, babe, help me with this. I'm going to like show you guys every other stuff. So this one is the cords and everything, I guess. It's not, I guess, it is. But my husband would say, I like saying guess. And okay, this one is okay. I don't know what this is for now. I think it's for clipping the cords. This one, I think it's for clipping. Anyways, and it's still carrying the name Tonor. Is it Tonor? And then this one is when you want to like, I think this one is voice filter or something like that. I don't even know, but I think it's voice filter, and I'm going to figure this out. This came in a complete set, and yes, I'm going to be telling you guys the amount I use in getting each of everything I'm going to be unboxing. And this is the warranty. They said this is 2 years warranty card for any product related issue. So you have like 2-year warranty. They said you can contact them. And I'm going to be keeping this because this warranty is very important for me. So this is the final product, guys. This and this is how this look. once we are done setting it, I think I'm still going to film a video about the setup for you guys, and subsequently as I'm doing my videos, you guys are going to be seeing the review on my videos as well. So anyways, let me know what you think. And this mic cost approximately 200,000 because I paid 199,963 naira. So that's why I said it's approximately 200,000 in Nigerian currency. I'll be putting the dollar amount on the screen. It is less than $200. Okay, so if you want to get this mic for your podcast, probably you're doing tutorials or anything, then we are going to know when we start using this mic if it's worth it or it is not worth it. Okay, so let's try the setup. And we can, okay, thank you.
So at this point, guys, hobby have to take over because he noticed that I was not really doing it very well and as fast as possible. So he has to take over, and I have to be checking the manual to be giving him which is on the list. The good part I love about this Tonor mic is they wrote everything step by step on the list, okay, on their description, like this book that you're seeing here that hobby just brought out. So now the next thing is for him to fix the extension into that hole, and fixing the extension into that hole doesn't even take that much. Just fix it and roll it. This is the next one on the list, which is connecting this particular stand to the mouth of this one, as you guys are seeing my hobby doing. Okay, so you have to just put this inside. Like I said, it is very, very explanatory in their description notes. Okay, or is it description? Yeah, description notes. Okay, so this is my hobby, just trying to like screw it in gently to ensure that everything is cool. In fact, the best thing you can do for yourself is get yourself a hobby that can fully support you in everything that you are doing. Okay, so anyways, we are still scrolling, and I was I was telling him, oh, try and be fast. Now he said no, that he wanted to do it gently so that we don't end up damaging any parts. So even if you're doing yours as well, just be gentle as well so that you don't damage any part as well. Okay, so after scrolling and we know that it is quite firm, the next thing is for us to set the mic, which is the number 4 on the list, and this is the mic itself. So it's to bend this down, and then we are going to screw this in because there's already a section for us to be able to like screw this inside. So this is my cute bubble doing it for me, and he's trying to still tighten it. Then we are going to the number 5, and for number 5 we are going to make sure we connect the cord, which is this particular cord, because from the cord, that is when you can get like a plug in and then be able to talk. And we have to put the mic cover, and then we're trying to like fix the filter. So this is us fixing the filter as well to ensure that everything like is cool. Okay, so this filter really gave us a lot of issues because of how we will position it, but at the end of the day we finally got it sharp. So this is me trying to like check if it's flexible from the handle, and yes, you can untie it, you can retight or max tight, anything you want to do. Okay, so here myself and Obi said, okay, we should try this out and see if it works, and we found out that it's not working because we did not get this particular stuff. So we have to go outside and go and get this, and this cost us about 25,000 naira. 25,000 naira, not about 25,000 naira. Okay, and for this we have to plug the USB cord that is attached to the mic on it, and then we can be able to plug this in into our phone or our camera for us to be able to do anything that we needed to do. So if you're planning on getting this particular mic, make sure you're getting this type C HD TV 8-in-1. Okay, you can get any of your choice, but this is a sample like I'm showing you. Okay, you can see it here. So these are places that you plug the cord that it came with, and then you can plug the other handle to your phone so that you can get the mic access. And yes, let me know what you think about this mic. Bye, I love you. Mwah.